Looking for a drone that can fly farther without spending hundreds of dollars? The right model can give you GPS positioning, return to home, stabilized video, and impressive range at a much lower price. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best long-range drones under $200. Stay with me until the end because I'll reveal which product is my overall top recommendation. Whether you're into aerial photography, outdoor exploration, FPV flying, or simply want more freedom from your drone, this list will help you narrow down the options. Let's start the countdown from number 5. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Lenovo GT8 Drone. This folding quadcopter is designed for users who want a feature-packed drone without carrying around a large aircraft. It combines GPS functionality with brushless motors, dual cameras, and optical flow hovering. The 8K camera specification also makes it appealing to budget-conscious users who want high-resolution aerial footage. Review highlights. The GT8 is a good entry-level choice for casual outdoor flying. Its folding design makes transportation easy, while GPS and optical flow positioning can make hovering and general flight more manageable. Pros: GPS positioning, dual camera design, brushless motors, optical flow hovering, foldable and portable. Number 4. Potensic ATOM SE. This is one of the more established options on our list, and it brings a much more refined flying experience. It weighs under 249 grams and features GPS, automatic return, waypoint flight, follow me, EIS stabilization, and a single-axis mechanical gimbal. Potensic lists the maximum transmission range up to 4 kilometers under its specified conditions, making it particularly interesting for anyone prioritizing reliable long-distance flying. Review highlights. The ATOM SE stands out because it focuses on the fundamentals that actually matter when flying farther from your starting point. GPS positioning, automatic return, and EIS image stabilization make it a much more confident, inspiring option for outdoor flights. Pros: under 249 grams, GPS and automatic return, up to 4 kilometers transmission range, follow me and waypoint flight, EIS image stabilization. Number 3. Lenovo V198 Max. This drone is designed for users who want a combination of long-range flight features and a more impressive camera setup. It includes GPS, an 8K camera specification, obstacle avoidance features, and a folding design. It also comes with a large screen remote controller, which can make monitoring the live camera feed more convenient while flying. Review highlights. The V198 Max is a budget-heavy option for anyone buyers. GPS gives you additional flight assistance, while the folding body makes it easier to take along on outdoor trips. Pros: GPS drone, 8K camera specification, obstacle avoidance system, large screen remote control, foldable design. Number 2. K19 Max GPS Drone. This model is particularly interesting for outdoor users because it adds features aimed at more specialized flying. It includes GPS, a 5G transmission system, obstacle avoidance, automatic turnaround, and a camera designed for FPV viewing. It also supports fishing airdrop functionality, giving it a very different purpose than a typical camera drone. Review highlights. The K19 Max is a versatile choice for people who want to experiment with more than basic aerial photography. The GPS functionality and obstacle avoidance system add useful features for outdoor flights, while the fishing airdrop capability give it an additional use case. Pros: GPS positioning, 5G transmission system, obstacle avoidance, automatic turnaround, fishing airdrop capability, FPV camera system. Number 1. Lenovo XT606 Max. This drone packs a long list of features into a relatively affordable package, including GPS, an 8K HD camera specification, 4K video capability, FPV viewing, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, and a large-screen remote controller. Its folding design also makes it easier to transport, while GPS-assisted flight features can provide additional confidence when flying outdoors. Review highlights. What makes the XT606 Max stand out is the combination of features. You get GPS, high-resolution camera specifications, obstacle avoidance, FPV functionality, and a screen-equipped controller in one package. For someone looking for a feature-rich long-range drone without moving into a much higher price category, it offers a compelling overall package. Pros: GPS-assisted flight, 8K camera specification, 4K video capability, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, large-screen remote control, foldable portable design. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Now, as promised, let's talk about the best product overall. After comparing range-focused features, GPS capabilities, camera specifications, obstacle avoidance, portability, and overall value, the Lenovo XT606 Max is my best overall long-range drone under $200 for 2026. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.